Welcome to the InnoTrans 2022. I'm Chen. I come from China. Our company called TID Technology in Development CO Ltd. And it's located in the high voltage transmission and distribution product center of Xi'an City. Was founded in 1998. We are professional and experiment in manufacture insulator and lifeline tools for power line and railways. So now I want to show more our product. It's called Insulator, and this Insulator it's make up of three parts. The first part is steel part, and outside is rubber, and the two sides is part to the connected with electric wiring. So it has different kinds. For example, there is the composite hanger insulator and the composite hanger insulator. And it can protect the electric discharge, and it can stop the electric return to the earth to return. And it can also increase the pre-page distance, and it can also, like this, we can see the rubber is like the umbrella, and it can resistance the pollution. Next, I want to introduce some products, the quality control process. It's about material control, and it includes the process control and the finished product control. So for the material control, we will test the coring rod, and we will test the size is suitable. And nextly is for the process testing. So we will use some machine to test this quality, the size, and we will use machine to pour it and push it, and to test if this is suitable for the production. And then for the finished product test, we will see it, the number is of it, the size is of it. We will test if the quality is suitable or not suitable. We have also a lot of cooperation in the all of the world. So I think our product is the best, and I hope we have the more cooperation with another country.